Okay, now that we've completed the front side of the water calc worksheet, we're going to move to the back side and continue on. On the back side of the calc sheet, we start out with line F, and line F is going to take into account pressure loss due to water treatment devices and backflow preventers which serve the controlling fixture. For this example, we won't have either of those types of devices or backflow preventers that are going to take any pressure from us, so our value for F4 will be 0 and we will remain at 8.6. Line G takes into account pressure loss through tankless water heaters, combination boiler water heaters, heat exchangers, all of those which serve the controlling fixture. Again, for this example, we won't have any of those items to worry about taking pressure away from us. We're just going to go through a standard tank type water heater, which there is very minimal, if any, pressure loss. And so again, our value for this line will be 0, and we will be at a subtotal of 8.6. Line H takes the developed length from the building control valve to the controlling fixture in feet and multiplies it by 1.5. For this example, I'm just going to use an arbitrary number of 60 feet, and we will multiply that times 1.5. So we'll go 60 times 1.5, and of course we'll get 90, and we'll enter that number here. Now that 90, the step or the reason for doing that is we are accounting for pressure loss due to fittings, valves that are going to be installed between the building control valve and the controlling fixture. The next step now is to take our subtotal and divide it by the value of H. So we will take our 8.6 and we will divide it by 90, and we will get 0.095. The next step on the sheet asks us to multiply that number by 100, so I'll multiply by 100, and the number that I will enter will be 9.55, and with that being the value at line A, we will automatically round up to 10 just based on rounding rules, and so our A value for this project will be 10. The next step will be to go to our water sizing tables, our pipe sizing tables, and start to size the building appropriately. We will go to the tables and we will use type M copper for this project.